Right, this is the KO Lee model S1024N3, 3-axis CNC servo drive surface grinder with Noom CNC controller.
All right, starting off on the side here, yeah, we do have a lubricator. It's missing the glass. Another wheel down there, that's the one I just took off. Spindle motor, swing out electric panel, which is kind of nice on this for maintenance, so we're good here. And working your way around to the electric panel, the Noom controller. We're currently wired 480 volts here on my temporary line. And the 3 servo drives up on top there, and the I/O boards are down low. As you pan upwards, all the documentation is up on top. Schematics, programming manuals. Coming around the side here. Get that one? Yeah. Coming around the side, the only thing of consequence is the height and heat controllers for the Y-axis. Actually, it's got a stronger resolution on it. The other ones are motor feedback, but they do have a scale for Y-axis. Column, control transformer, servo motor down here for table. Got the doors here.
All right.
And, oh, did you want to get any of that? Are we good
Sure.
to go here? Yeah. We got the filtration system here and a couple of extra wheel assemblies there. All good here. That goes with it. And so, let's see. I suppose we could just take it from where it's at and try homing it and see how that goes. And then maybe we can do some manual movement of the axes.
Should we open the doors?
Yeah, I'm going to, yeah. Okay. Do some manual movement of the axes and then rapid traverse. So we get that for the cycle start. We want 1 to go. And before I hit enter, let me open these doors up. So yeah, just kind of see there's no interlocks on them, so you can leave those open a little bit. Now this is what happens. Hit enter, see if it doesn't go. We're at 100% feed. We'll leave it right there, and we're going. Y will go first, and then you'll see Z, and then X. The table's last. There we go. I think Z was already on the switch. No, it's in the middle there? Okay, it's coming up. Let's see. Table now. Oh, then Z. I was wrong. Yeah, it's pretty good. There we go. Coming forward. And that's all good. Screen's good. And at this point, we can kind of go into manual here. It's home. Home is done. It should be happy. Manual, and get out of hand wheel. Just want to go into free and see if we can't jog over. We'll go X minus first, bring the table over. Let's see if that works. We're moving now. And here's rapid. Slow. Rapid. And come back the other way a little bit. Plus. And rapid. We'll leave it hang out right there. And Z. Let's see if we can go back. That'd be minus. Get off the switch a little bit. Rapid. And plus. Rapid. Go back a little bit, minus again. And, right. That's good. And let's bring Y down, which would be selected here. Y, minus. And we do rapid. And plus, rapid. It's not too bad. And here's the hand wheel mode. I guess we can flip over here, and I think we pick up hand wheel. We're still in Y, and we'll go down minus, and you can see we're moving on the screen, and I'm just dialing it down now, and if you can catch the column coming down here. And same thing with X. It all works nice. And Z, if you can catch that. So anyhow, that's all good to go. Manual on the controls, manual on hand wheel, and we found a program in all the different part programs. It's real basic, it's small, but you'll see it fire up, and we could do it a couple times maybe. I'll just take it from wherever it's at. We're going to go into MDI, and that's the program that's on there. It's real basic. The table just moves a little bit. Wheel comes down 50 thousandths. It shuts off, but at least you can see that it takes the program, and the controller runs the way it's supposed to. So that said, I'm going to let alone go back into Axis page. We can kind of watch the numbers. Go into auto right from where we're at. It should go home, find its position, and then run the program. We're in auto. I'm good to go. Spindle is on. That should start up with the program. You'll hear it. Let's see what happens. That is in the program, and let the spindle come down. If you want to get in close one more time, it's so short we can do it a couple times just to get a feel, but it's moving along real nice. And cycle start. It's already home, so it's just going to take off from there. All we're doing is dropping 50 thousandths on Y, so you can't really see that now, but you can see it on the numbers here. If I go into Axis, this is the actual position right here. We're at 8.7. It goes down to about 7. I'm going to hit cycle start, and you just kind of watch Y. And it goes right back to 8.745. There it is. Down to 695, back up to 745. It's dropping thousandths. You okay with that? So yeah, that, my friends, is the way the cookie crumbles.